you very much. Yeah, Sambitji, Bhaiji, District President, and my beloved elders and brother and sister of Ukhrul. It is my privilege to be here with Samit Petraji. We know what the peoples of Ukhrul and the peoples of the hills especially, and just my elder former Tangkhulung president has expressed the concern, the main concern of the Naga peoples, mainly the Tangkhul peoples, the ongoing peace talk. We also praying to God, let the talk be complete with mutual understanding, mutual respect from both sides, and we will definitely convey to the concern. And secondly, regarding the developments, you see, just I brought the list.
Yes.
It is all in the book, not on paper. It is all in the field. And regarding the brothers about the water, simply I'm telling you, drinking water is becoming a concern of all the hill state.
Yes.
Because we destroyed forests.
Yes.
Because we destroyed forests, I repeat again.
Yes.
We try to take the water from the Shiroi due to the deforestation. We cannot avail the water. So, but how? Somehow, I have managed. In Tamil Nadu, you might have seen, just there is a Hamui part. Just I have government has taken one big pond, and that has the source of the water. And now Tamil Nadu will get full drinking water. Similarly, here also under the PhD, just we have already taken up the water project. At Nitan also, Singhai also, Sanakat Hill also, 3 NLCP. But for the main Ukhrul, we have already started, and the Ukhrul now has become the the viewpoint of the from the national capital Delhi, because of the Shiroi Lily, because of this hospitality, people's hospitality is amazing. When the last year Shiroi Lily festival, people were so enjoyed and so happy. Homestay.
Yes.
We all the Tangkhul provided the homestay facility here. We started in the internationally organized Shiroi Lily. The band from the America, 2 bands, came here. So now we have become so popular and internationally recognized. So my appeal is, definitely we will convey the NICCL people also. I will call them and to take up the road work, because NICCL is purely dealing from the center, not from the state. That's why I will definitely convey, and I will definitely ask them to complete before the rainy season starts. So I will not take much time. We are under this Tangkhulung ground. I already sanctioned 1 crore
Thank you.
for the Tangkhulung Pavilion. Tangkhulung Pavilion, VIP gallery will be constructed soon. I am interested to IG Muibha. Muibhado. Mangoda in interest of Grobani, Tangkhul ki Nasser. I from my personnel, I donate Obani.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Practically, I will show you what I am going to do, and I have shown what I am doing. And the Hujikchu project, yes, Petigu College, very, reasonable. I will definitely look into. But Petigu ki the this year I am 15 crore proposal. I'm not Petigu College, Fazana Sample, Adu Guy, DM College University, DM University, the Madu Kamata, Nahun, definitely I am the Honage.
Of which function down?
Yeah. Hello, see Harga, ma'am. Thank you.
Sir, MOU. Sir, MOU.